How to turn on location for photos on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Now scroll down. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of Privacy and Security. Here you're going to find different options. At the very top, you'll see the option of Location Services. Open that option. Now enable for this option of Location Services. With that, you're gonna get different options. Now head towards the option of Camera. Check in for the option of while using the app or ask next time or when I sure. Once you customize these settings, you will be good to go. I can close this. Now I can launch your camera. I'm gonna take a picture. Now head towards the picture that you have just taken. Now swipe up. With that, map will open up and you will be able to find the location of the picture that you have just taken. Well, this way you can easily turn on location for the photos that you have taken. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily turn on location for photos on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.